All right, hi, and welcome to the Unit 4 Math Review. This is Mr. Light. I'm your host. So we're going to go through this. You can be doing this on your own with groups. You can be checking in with me live, all that good stuff. So this is that relationship between quarter, 25, and 25 hundredths, and using information to be able to think things through. So it says 1/4 of 36 that would be 9. So 25 hundredths of 36 is 9, because 25 hundredths and 1/4 are the same. So that means 25 times 36 is 900, because again, this relationship here, this is 100 times. So then we would just need to multiply. All right. And now we know what 25 times 36 is. So we would add one more 36 to get 936. And we would take a 36 away to get what? 864. Why did I know 64 so quick? Because I know my groupings of 100, which is very important. Very important. All right, 1/4 of 48 is 12. So 3/4 is 36. Why is it 36? Because 3/4 is 3 1/4. 3, or 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. That's 3/4. 12 times 3 is 36. So 75 times 48 is 3,600. Why? Because 75 is 100 times more than 0.75, which is the same as 3/4. So 76 times 48, that'd be one more group of 48. And one less group of 48, 3,552. All right, solve the division problem below. Complete the ratio table, and then we can kind of go from there. So we're doing that 10-25 thing. So we have one group of 16, 10 groups of 160, 20 groups 320, and 5, that's that half thing, that would be 80. So I'm doing 16 of 272. If I look over here, I'm probably not going to use 320, that's too much. I am going to use 160, so that would be a group of 10. I'm going to take away there, 2, 1, 1, and I have 112 left. 112 left. What I would take 80 away from there, and that's a group of 5. Get 32, and that would be 2 groups of 16 to get to 0. So that would be 10, and 5, and 2 is 17. Here we got 12, we have 216 divided by 12. 120, 240, 60. So 240 is just a little bit too much. It's not too much though. I would think what 15 is 180. So I'm going to use that 180, which is a 15. I'm going to take things away here. 6 and 3, 36. So that would be 3 groups. 3 groups is 36, which will get us to 0. So that means this is 18, because that's 15 plus 3. And we have 408 divided by 17, 170, 340, and half of 170 is 85. So I'm going to use that 340 here. That is 20 groups of 70. And then I do my subtraction. To get 68, that's going to be 4 groups, right? Because that's 1 group less, yeah. And that gets me to 0, so this is 24. All right, Maria is planning to make friendship bracelets to sell at the farmer's market. Each bracelet costs $1.25 to make. Use the ratio table to show your strategy for finding the cost to make 19 bracelets. Remember, we did this whole thing with Callie and the pops and the cake pops and all that stuff. So I want to get to 19. How am I going to get? I like to write my target number here just as a reminder. And so I'm probably going to go to 20. So to get to 20, I'm going to double first to get to $2.50. And then I'm going to get to 20, which is shifting these numbers one spot down to get to $25. And now I just need to remove one group to get to 19, which is 25 minus 1 is $24. And then another 25 cents is $23.75. Use the ratio table to show, okay, so how much can she make for 126.25? So again, I'm going to put my target here. I'm looking for 126.25. I have 25. That's way. So what is that going to be like 100? Let's start with 100. That's shifting these 2 spots down to make it 125 even. That's very close to 126. Oh, there it is. It's 101. Okay, so 101 because that's just $126.25. So again, if you double and then 10 and 20, don't like that's you're just being a robot. Okay, we need to be better than robots. Solve the problems below. Use the standard algorithm for one. Use any strategies for the other problems. Show your work. Explain your choice. I'm just going to go through the answers here. I'm going to do the standard algorithm for each one. Here we go. 6 times 6 is 36. Carry the 3. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 3 is 15. I carry my 0. Oh man, you don't have any space for this. 18. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Here, so 156 plus 780 is 613. 936. We didn't estimate. So 30 and 40 is 1200. 30 and 30 is 900. So it's probably going to be what's in between there, like 11, 10, 10, that's about 1,000, 1,050, something like that. All right, I'm going to rewrite it here to give me more room. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 4 is 16. Start with the 3. Add that 0 down. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. 8, 10, 1008. That aligns with, that aligns with what we thought. 36 times 36. 6 times, so 30 times 30 is 90, 40 times 40 is 1600, so in between 900 and 1600. 6 times 6 is 36, 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 21. Again, we're multiplying by 30, not just 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry the 1, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. 6, 9, 2, 1, 1,296. And lasty problems here. So we have to look at these boxes and know what numbers would be here. So we go through this process. So 2 times 6 is 12. So there's a 2 here. There would be a 1 here. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So 9 is going to go here. What number goes here? 0. And now I have 3 times 6 is 18. There's an 8. 1. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. And then this stuff gets added together. All right, now we have 1 is 6, 0, and 5. Now we have a 0. 3 times 6 is 18. We carry the 1. 3 times 0 is 0. Plus 1 is 1. And then there's the 15 there. 6, 8, 6. 15,686. 7 times 2 is 14, so we carry the 1. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15. Carry the 1. That looks good. And then this is the same number of digits, but shifted because I'm just multiplying this by 7 again. So this is going to be 43,000. We have a 9 here and a 7 here. Mark each equation below true or false. So we should just be able to estimate. This is 128. That looks true. 3 divided here. That's going to be around 1,000. That's going to, like 342 times 3 would be around 1,000. So this is false. 58 times 9 times 100, 99 times 100 would be 5,800. That's way over. False. 4,880 times 25 is 12. A quarter. Yeah, that looks good. All right. Bye.